drive west through heavy weather in the silence I could drown. And though I said I'm a believer, ooh, maybe I was scared to let you down. Rain comes beating at my window while the clock hands counting down the time. I sit and wait for it to take you, though you were never really mine. How easily you let go, how easily you let me go. How easily you let me know you're not coming home. The world don't care, she keeps on spinning, and autumn creeps in every day. I can't escape this, but I'm still running. Ooh, train wheels carry me away. How easily you let go, how easily you let me go. How easily you let me know you're not coming home. Coming home. And the worst part is coming now. All the fear in me comes pouring out. I try to heal us, but you don't make a sound. And I've been grieving long before you weren't around. How easily you let go, turn away so you won't see. How easily you let me go, though you had the best of me. How easily you let me know. I think it's time we let this go. How easily you found it so easy.